Ever wished you could grow beautiful flowering plants without dealing with soil, mess, or expensive rooting hormones? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into 12 amazing flowering plants that you can propagate in just water. No hassle, just crystal clear magic. Geraniums. This classic favorite isn't just great for garden beds, it also roots beautifully in water. Snip a 4 to 6 inch cutting, remove the lower leaves, and place it in a glass of water. In just a few weeks, you'll have a brand new geranium plant ready for potting. Impatiens. Bright, colorful, and shade-loving, impatiens are super easy to propagate. Just dip the cutting in water, ensuring a few nodes are submerged. Place it in a well-lit area, and soon, roots will appear. African violet. Yes, you can grow an African violet from a single leaf. Place the cut edge in water, keep it in indirect sunlight, and watch tiny roots sprout in a few weeks. Begonia. Begonias love water propagation. Take a 3 to 4 inch cutting, remove the lower leaves, and place the stem in water. In no time, you'll see roots forming ready to be potted. Hoya. This vining beauty takes a bit longer to root, but the wait is worth it. Drop a Hoya cutting in water, keep the leaves dry, and in a month or so, you'll have roots forming. Fuchsia. With its striking teardrop-shaped flowers, Fuchsia is a showstopper. Just place the cuttings in water, keep them in indirect light, and within 3 weeks, they'll be ready for transplanting. Jasmine. Fragrant and elegant, jasmine cuttings root well in water. Keep them in a bright area, change the water weekly, and soon you'll have a fresh jasmine plant. Lavender. Want a low-maintenance herb with a soothing scent? Lavender cuttings root quickly in water, especially softwood cuttings in the spring. Just make sure to change the water regularly. Hyacinth. This one's a little different. Instead of submerging the bulb, place it just above the water in a narrow-necked vase. With time, roots will reach down while the flower grows up. Petunia. Petunias are easy to propagate. Take a flowerless cutting, place it in a jar of water under bright light, and within a few weeks, you'll have new roots sprouting. Peace Lily. Instead of cuttings, peace lilies grow from divisions. Place a root section in water with only the roots submerged, and enjoy its stunning green leaves in a glass container. Paperwhite Narcissus. Like hyacinth, paperwhites grow best in water when supported by pebbles. Keep the bulbs dry, provide ample light, and watch them bloom into a beautiful indoor display. And there you have it. 12 stunning flowering plants that can thrive in just water. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more indoor gardening tips. Happy propagating!